What is up, ladies and gentlemen? BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, back at it again with another unwrapping. We got ourselves a big one today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got 6 packages coming in that came in today/yesterday. Saved this one from yesterday, so you can open them all together. We got ourselves a lot of heat. We got ourselves some spicy heat. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but to me I can. We got ourselves new lighting. We got freaking lighting finally, so I don't need to worry about the sun or have to only use the sun basically. But yeah, we got ourselves a bad tricolor hoodie, a split hoodie blank, probably short or some sweats, probably long sleeve. This is gonna be a mugshot hoodie, cement, and this, best for last, we got ourselves a sample. This is a sample too, but a little different. Anyways, without further ado, I've been talking for over a minute already. Let's get right into the opening. First, starting off with the bad hoodie in a large. Let's see what we're working with. You know what? I'm gonna rip through it, and then I'll see you guys in just a moment. Give me a second. Oh yeah, that was quick. Okay, we're good. We're back. So we have opened it. We have made progress, and you're gonna boom, slide that guy out. Move the packaging. Got some fudge balls. Let's check it out. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this embroidery. Oh crap. Sorry guys, blurry. Now look at that embroidery. Very nice. Very clean. A lot of them that are being sold nowadays, somehow, somehow a lot of people are getting these drawstrings lost. Like I'm seeing less and less drawstrings on listings of people selling them. Just to show you guys it's legit. Got ourselves the bad tag. And if you guys seen my, whoa, come on, focus. And if you guys seen my other video about how to legit check it, you can tell that this is legit. But yeah, this is the bad tricolor hoodie. I am gonna stop this video for just a moment, and then I will be right back. We're back. I just wanted to just stop it and restart it because I clicked on my phone and it would like focus, and then I was just like, I don't have to worry about that no more. But yeah, this is the bad hoodie. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it, just some like dust balls. But that's gonna be pretty easy to clean up. Back looks clean. Whoa. Back looks clean. Let's look at the wash tag. Looks good. 100% cotton. Now this large is probably gonna fit like more like a medium because these are pretty small. Yeah. You gotta always size up if you want to even get a bad hoodie. But yeah, let's go ahead and place that up there. And let's move into the split hoodie blank. So, before I open this, just want to preface by saying this is the members only split drop, but just the blank. This is going to be the grayish one with the black revenge writing. There's 3 colorways. There was the black with red embroidery with like the white split. So that was one. And then you got the gray, and then you got like the gray one, this one, but with black embroidery and like a different type of gray, I think. And the last one was like a brown with pink embroidery. And it was like a members only drop, and I got basically that gray one, but just the blank, no revenge logo, which I think is pretty sick. Let's get into it. There it is. Get this bad boy open. There's the split part. With the packaging. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Okay, so no tag as expected, just the size tag. Perfectly fine with. Because I know myself that is authentic. And this is what basically those were printed on. But I got just the blank version. I think that's very cool in my opinion. Maybe not to others, but having a revenge blank, come on, that's sick. Oh, these have pockets. That was one thing I was very skeptical about. Oh, yeah, factory flaws or whatever you want to call it. I thought these weren't gonna have pockets because the OG ones, like the OG Fisher hoodie or whatever you want to call it, I think that's the name. They didn't have pockets, but these do. So that's actually very nice. It goes to about where my finger is right here. That's how deep it is. And on this side, it goes to about my fingers right there. So not too bad pocket-wise. See if there's any wash tag. Oh, you can actually see the pocket right here, duh. Doesn't look like there's any tagging in here. But yeah, fun little fact. These blanks were split and made by Revenge, basically. But yeah, without further ado, let's put that over to the side. I can't believe I'm just doing that. Anyways, into the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Into the next one. You already know the drill. Gonna put you guys down for a moment, and we will be right back. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was pretty easy. Oh, yeah. We're in. Okay, so this one is the long sleeve. By the way, this and all these are from the same person. So, package, move that to the side as per usual. Did he really just hook me up with two? There's no way this is two. This has got to be just one. Yeah, this is just one. Okay, I was tripping for a second. I was like seeing this. I was like, no way it's two. So that's cool. It's like pretty much dead stock. I got a Revenge bag, so that's nice. Tag is upside down, which I thought was really cool. Because it's in this packaging, I am gonna just leave this off to the side for now. We'll open that in a little bit. I'm just gonna take some dead stock pictures of that real quick. So fortunately, that's all you guys are gonna see for now. But yeah, we'll be back for that in a little bit. This should be this should be a windbreaker. This should be a windbreaker. Anyways, here we go. I was right. And I got socks. Rose is blessing me yet again. Blessed me with socks last time. Blessed me with socks this time. Let's freaking go. Check out these socks. Oh, dude, let's go. More used ones of these. Wait, hold on. Check it out. Check it out. He gave me some other used ones before, too. Very nice. Oh, and the black versions. Let's go. Last time he gave me free ones, they were the white ones. So now I got four pairs of Revenge socks. I never thought I'd own socks, honestly. I never would buy them personally, but Frick has a gift for free. Don't mind if I do, ladies and gentlemen. Although that's pretty nasty, but hey, free. Seen people trying to sell these for like 50 plus, 80 plus, whatever. But off to what I actually purchased. Now, I cannot complain. For the price, this thing is actually really huge. I can't wait to try this on. This looks awesome. Look at all these zippers. So we got like side zippers here. We got a big pocket zipper right here. You can barely see it, so I think I gotta do this. Oh no, you can't. What the heck? Okay, so basically the Revenge logos are plastered in there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, that's like the only branding you got. Besides that, no branding. It's a nice little windbreaker though. I'm digging it. Oh, tag. Okay, tag. Unzip a little bit. There we go. There's the tag. So here's the real branding. Size large. And look at that spacing between large and it's. Anyway, thought that was cool. Inside right there. This is sick though. I never had a Revenge windbreaker. I don't even think I have a windbreaker. My old one was like a polo one. I got yoinked by a family member. But yeah, very cool. Oh, inside tag too. Very cool. I'm not sure when this released, but I know they dropped this with like the black one and like some other one. Yeah, great windbreaker. Sick addition to the collection. Next, we got ourselves the Cement XL Mugshot Kill Hoodie. Can't believe I just said that. Mugshot Kill Hoodie 2024. Anyways, you know the drill. See you in a moment. Ugh. Get the frick out of here. Get over here. Yep, I was right. It's a cement one. Let's go. Best for last then. All right, we made contact. Go ahead and just boom. Boom, boom. Ooh. I appreciate the fold. So we could have the mugshot itself exposed first. Very nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on there? What's going on there? Oh, okay. Cool, cool, cool. I was like, what was that? Very nice. I love it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So glad I got this. Clean. Clean, 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 clean. You already know saving the best for last. That Killan. Hold on, we got some packages falling. Technical difficulties. Give me a moment. Let me fix this so I can show you guys the sleeve text. Okay. Okay. Very nice. So here's the sleeve text. It looks black in video, like really black in video, but in person it's like a grayish dark. It's like a grayish black in person. Like it doesn't, like right now I'm looking at it through the camera, it looks really black, but in person it's not as black. Like I said, it's like a grayish black in my opinion. But yeah, this is puff print. Very cool that this is puff print. My purple mugshot was screen print, so I'm conflicted as to why this is freaking that. Anyways, check out these tags and then move on to the last best piece. We got ourselves extra large, baby. And then you already know. Boom. Pow. Again, all of this purchased from the same guy. Freaking huge shout out to that guy. Amazing seller. Ooh, now this is nice. Oh, it feels weird though. And it's, again, it's like a gray. And like, there's like these issues going on here. I don't even know what to describe that. Factory flaws or something, but this Killan's nice. Yeah, it's not the detailed Killan. I saw Nebby mention it in one of his videos. Shout out to Nebby, by the way. He said that most of the mugshots, or all the mugshots, mugshot hoodies, that is at least, all of them lack detail. Like, look, you can't even see the E in dead. A lot of detail lacking, but for what it is, can't complain. Look at that from afar. Looks stinking amazing. But I can't get over this little, like, these speck things. But again, like, from afar, you can't even notice. Won't even matter. In the video, oh, so much breath. In this video you're watching, this looks really black, but in person, it is more of a gray again. Like, yeah, I don't know how to describe it other than that. I can see some cracking appearing right there. At the bottom, see that? This feels like it's not baked all the way. Like it needs to be cured a little bit more from what I feel puff-wise. I feel like this needs to be puffed or hit with the heat gun a little bit or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is this. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this open over here so it doesn't fold and crease and crack or whatever anymore. So that'll be the only piece like that. But ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the final piece, the sample. These are some sweats, and these are some samples that I've never seen the light of day. Unfortunately, though, by the time you guys see this, this might have already dropped, or who knows, this might never drop. I don't know. Because again, like, I'm really lackluster in posting. Like, you're going to see, if you see in the descriptions, you can see when this was recorded versus when this was actually uploaded. Now I'm super messed up there, but anyways, without further ado, let's open these sweats samples. Again, same seller. All right, give me a second. All right, we made contact. All right, we made contact. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Let's go ahead and release the sweats. Oh, whoa. Whoa. That feels and looks awesome. Okay, let's check them out. Got some more opening, gotta move out of the way. So let's check these out all in their glory. Okay. I don't even know where to begin. This is freaking sick though. I don't think I'd ever buy it personally as like retail wise, but you know, sample, gotta do it, in my opinion. especially because the seller only wanted me to have it. He was like, bro, I'm only gonna post it for you, and then I'm gonna delete it right away so no one else sees it. I was like, sick. So yeah, here we go. We got a Revenge logo like on the seam of the left pocket. Yeah, left pocket. This is what the embroidery looks like up close. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not the coolest though. Not a crazy fan of that logo, but it's aight, it's aight. This part's cool. I've seen this on like some pants. Try to move it up so you guys can see it more. I feel like I've seen this design on some pants that they made, but here's some blue sweats. Go up close again. Pretty cool. Feels awesome. Definitely like the feeling. The sweat blank feels awesome too, like a really heavyweight. Nice blank. Let's check out this thing, waistband. We got some drawstrings, whatever you want to call it. No tag. I was told this is a sample, meaning like I don't want to put words in the seller's mouth or like expose them or anything, but supposedly this is like, in my opinion, I think this is the first one that they made of this. Yeah. Anyways, we got pockets on the left and right. Kind of deep. Go like right there. Not too bad, like right. Something light. Oh, that's pretty cool. I was thinking there's gonna be one pocket, but now you got two back pockets. That's pretty fire. But yeah, I believe that is about it. I'm gonna go take a picture of this right here real quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys to show this last. Well, this should have been last but not least, but this will be last technically. All right, see you guys in a moment's notice. Peace. All right, and just like that, we're back. Yeah, let's get into it. Got my pictures taken, you already know. Let's get into the long sleeve. Now, unlike everything else that I got, this is the only thing that's not gonna fit me. Like, I can't wait to try all that on, but fortunately this one is a small, so it won't probably fit me. But look at that, Revenge tag upside down. Look at that, that is sick. It's upside down, that's so cool. Wow, I've never had an upside down tag. OG or new, you know? Or if you know, with the touring tags, black tags upside down. Anyways, this is her in her glory. Come on, just gotta get this fixed out. Fixed pretty nice. I like it. It looks cool. You know, I'm gonna try this on still, but probably won't fit. See if there's that tag underneath, right, y'all? Oh, nah, no tag. The blank tag? Okay. Screw it. Still legit in my eyes. We got the tiny Revenge embroidery right there. This is literally the only branding. Pretty sure this is blank besides that. Feels nice and like mid-weight, heavyweight sort of vibes. Not like a lightweight one, but pretty nice. Pretty cool. Very cool, very cool. All right, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a long video, I already know. Sorry, guys, for I bored you guys to death or anything. If you guys stayed till the end right here, I hope you guys freaking enjoyed. Have an awesome day. Stay amazing. Be yourself. And I will see you in the next one. Later.